Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilia Anissa binti Hamdi and my matrix number is 300902. Today I would like to present about len text database system of how to create the tables, the type of suitable data chosen, and how to create the foreign key. First of all, click the database button and key in the name to create the len text database. Then insert the table name such as the owner for len text database and the number of the attributes, which is 7 attributes. Insert all the attributes for the table such as owner ID, name, phone number, address, postcode, and state. Then the type of each attributes. Voucher for owner ID, text for name, integer for phone number, voucher for address, integer for postcode, and text for state. Next, determine the length of values for each of the attributes, and then don't forget to click save. Next, determine the primary key for owner table, which is owner ID. After that, continue create the next table for len. Same goes for this table. Insert the attributes for len table and determine the type of data for each attribute for the len, then the values of each attribute. For the len size, I use decimal, which is 15,2. Then click save. Next, make the primary key for len, which is len ID. Then create the len text table for len text database and key in its attributes, the data type and values. Click save and determine the primary key for len, which is len text ID. And then create the len text table for len text database and key in its attributes, the data type and values. Click save and determine the primary key for len text, which is len text ID. And use the same step to create payment table and its attributes, correct data type and correct values. Determine the primary key, and last table to create is receipts. Insert all of the attributes, correct data type and suitable values for this receipt table. Click save and determine the primary key. After that, create foreign key for the related tables for len. Click relation view and choose the foreign key, which is owner ID, and click save. Back to the table, you will see the light gray key for the owner ID as the foreign key. Then for the len text, also do the same thing as before to create the foreign key for len text. Click relation view and put the foreign key for len text, which is len ID, and click save. It will appear the light gray key on the len ID as the foreign key for len text. Same goes to create the foreign key for payment. Create the foreign key, which is len text ID, and click save. It will appear light gray key. But however, since the payment and receipt relationship is 1-to-1, there is no foreign key has been made. Lastly, click on Export button to save the len text database file. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.